Assalamualaikum. Today we will presenting a case study titled MIC BERHAD'S HALAL Logistics, a case study on innovation management in integrated supply chain infrastructure for global halal integrity. This presentation explains how MIC BERHAD, through its logistic arms MILs, leverage modern physical infrastructure and advanced digital technology as blockchain and ICT. The main objective is to ensure halal integrity across the global supply chain from farm to fork. Next, we will look at how trust in global trade is being ratified. First, in terms of vision, halal is no longer limited to product certification at the point of slaughter. It has evolved into a comprehensive system that requires verification at every stage of the supply chain. Second, the subject of this study, our focus is on MISC BERHAD and its logistic arm MILS, which operates from the strategic Pulau Indah hub. Third, the innovation. The key innovation is the integration of halal certified physical infrastructure with digital technology as blockchain to ensure transparency, traceability, and integrity throughout the supply chain. This slide shows the evolution of halal logistics from the legacy model to the modern approach. Legacy model, previously halal assurance focused mainly on raw materials and initial processing stage, which created a risk of cross-contamination during transportation and storage. Modern model, today with standard as MS2400, a more comprehensive approach is applied. It includes full supply chain risk management, physical segregation, and Sharia compliant handling at all stages. Conclusion: traceability system and strict environmental management are how essential to maintain halal supply chain integrity. This slide presents the strategic infrastructure at Pulau Indah in Malaysia. Pulau Indah is an important location in Malaysia halal logistic network due to its strategic position as a trade and port hub. The facility is operated by MISC Integrated Logistics Center BERHAD, the logistic arm of MIC BERHAD. It is also fully certified halal by the Halal Development Corporation, ensuring that all operations comply with halal standards. Finally, the facility maintains high standards of hygiene and strict Sharia compliance, including both dry and cold storage. This makes Pulau Indah a key hub for halal logistics in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Anis Aisyah binti Anwar. I will continue to the next slide. The Halal Express Service Synergy in MISC has value chain mastery, which is halal certificate product from diverse global sources are consolidated at a single hub and seamlessly distributed to worldwide halal market. Next, they also has land-based anchor, which is provide centralized, fully segregated storage and transshipment at Pulau Indah. They also has maritime reach, which is specialized halal express service shipping route securely to transport goods across ocean. Lastly, they also have the strategic differentiation, which is stand as one of the few entitled globally capable of offering customer the entire value chain in strictly controlled halal logistics. The next slide is about Pulau Indah facility. They have dry operation and cool operation. The dry operation in MISC Logistics, they has core design, which is purpose-built to access international quality and safety standard for sensitive cargo. They also has operational scope in the dry operation, which is function as a centralized hub for regional distribution, specialized packaging, and Sharia compliant labeling. For the cool operation section, they have global transshipment, which is fully equipped to route consolidate shipment to global market without breaking the change of custody. Next is total ambient manage. It is seamless operation across deep freeze, chill, and ambient dry environment, ensuring total product viability. This is the example for dry storage and advanced sterilization. They have about 250,000 square feet for dedicated operational space, and the capacity, it's about 23,000 strictly managed pallet position, and this layer also has the integrity differentiation, which is decontamination infrastructure and technological advantage. Cold chain management in MISC warehouse, they have the temperature between 18 degrees Celsius until minus 25 degrees Celsius, which cover ambient control scope and the hardware. For ambient control scope, they have precision management from 18 degrees Celsius down to deep freeze level of minus 25 degrees. The warehouse also deployed with high density mobile racking solution to maximize footprint efficiency while maintaining segregation. Also in the warehouse, they have 8,500 pallet position, which is dedicated to frozen product, and 1,200 pallet position to the chilled product.
Hello, my name is Nurala Irdina and my metric number is A23A1864. So now I will continue with modernizing the floor with advanced ICT. First, we got tailored WMS, Advanced Warehouse Management System, specifically programmed to enforce strict halal segregation protocols dynamically. Next, we got industry impact. The robust adoption is reliable ICT in halal transportation and logistics is a primary driver in establishing unshakable trust and satisfaction among 3PL service provider TAN ETAL 2012. Next, we got real-time feasibility, continuous inventory tracking that inherently prevents the commingling of halal and non-halal goods at the rack level. Next, I will continue immutable traceability via blockchain. The vulnerability. Traditional paper-based tracking remains highly susceptible to human error, localized data silos, and intentional fraud. Second, the blockchain solution, a decentralized, tamper-proof digital ledger that permanently records every product movement and customer transfer. Third, IoT integration, real-time environmental sensor in MILS cold storage feed ambient temperature data directly and autonomously to the blockchain. Rajab 2018. Fourth, we got the result, absolute verifiable and immutable trust delivered directly to the end and consumer. Tan Gliger and Ngah 2020. Next, a three-pillar approach to global integrity. The Halal Nexus Integration Matrix, Absolute Supply Chain Integrity. Pillar 1, Physical Infrastructure. Deep freeze, cold storage, -25°C. Ethylene oxide decontamination chambers, and integrated maritime routes. Pillar 2, Regulatory Standard, MS 2400. Uncompromising Sharia compliance, HDC formalized certification, continuous environmental auditing. Pillar 3, Digital Verification, Blockchain, real-time IoT sensor data ingestion, immutable decentralized ledger, automated WMS segregation protocols. Lastly, securing the future of halal trade, the proof of concept, MISC BERHAD'S Pulau Indah facility proved that uncompromising halal integrity is achievable at massive global scale. The ultimate standard by seamlessly integrating maritime logistics, advanced smart warehousing, and immutable blockchain traceability. We have successfully mapped an unbroken halal corridor. Last, the path forward. Halal Nexus Logistics is positioned to pioneer and scale this next generation of global supply chain transparency. That's all from me. Thank you.